So I'm going to replace this today. Now I've already gotten a little bit started. I was able to get this thing out pretty easily, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace that one, which is in good shape, and this one, which sucks. That sucks. Doesn't work so good. Okay, so obviously the next thing we're going to do is replace this nasty thing with this beautiful light here. Maybe it's not everybody's taste, but I think it's going to look good. It's going to be a nice contrast with the color of the truck, the dark metallic gray with the black lettering. I love it. So what I've chosen is to remove screw here, here, one down here. I can pull this back and get inside where the fog light was. And I've also got it open through here in case I need to reach down inside and shimmy something loose, but so far it's come off pretty good. I'm gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna switch over to the other side, and I'll try to get a more step-by-step version of it. Okay, so I just finished the other side. Looks pretty good. All right, now I'm off to do this guy here. So we match, and I'll walk you guys through that as well. So we're gonna go around on this side. I'm gonna disconnect, bolt here, little rivet kind of thing there, and then this bolt underneath right here. That little rivet just pries right out, so that's not too bad. Drop it in your little bucket. Onto the next one. Pretty quick, pretty easy. You always want to remember where you got which bolt, where it connects to what, so you don't get confused and put the wrong piece in. Yeah, real easy. Okay, so I've got this pulled back. There's our mounting screw. Here's our light bulb disconnect right there. Okay, and lay that aside. Then we're going to disconnect this screw here and shimmy the light. It should pull right out for a replacement. And out comes your light. Yes, sometimes you get some scrapes and scratches. So here it is. And it is beautiful. So back to it. I showed you the internal brackets where the edges, these edges are going to fit into. All right, those edges there, they're going to slide into that. And over here is just going to be one bracket where a screw that I put. You lose track of these little guys quick. But that bad boy is going to be the one that mounts right into there. So we'll see if we can make some magic. I think I got it in the wrong spot. It's going too fast. I didn't need that. Let's see if it works. Just you always want to make sure it's got a good firm lock in there. It's not shaking, not wobbling. Looks like we got a good test. I'm gonna put the fender back in. We're good to go. All in all, about 45 minutes time. So if you got the right tools and you got the time and the patience, you can do your own work too. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Ash, and peace out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna test the fog light, make sure it works before we go and secure it through the back side. So I'm gonna grab this piece here, connect it on. Careful not to drop your new light. back the same way it was. We'll do a test now. Yeah, this is rough production. Bear with me. Ah, yes! Looks good, it works. Shine out any eyes there. And a good suggestion is, whatever side you're working on, turn your tire in towards the wheelbase so that you have a little bit more working room.